Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to show you that why this my Honda Civic car is not starting. And this is Honda Civic 1.8 liter engine, what is very common in USA. And let's look at what happens when I try to start this my engine. Okay, and now I go to start this my engine, and let's look what happens. Okay, and it hesitates to start. And what is now issue in this my car? And if this car try to start but don't and not. Okay, and that's we have to measure this car's pistons compression rates. And let's go to do that job. Okay, and then why this my car is not starting, and now I have found this issue. And issue was that this my ignition coils, these connectors, they were loosened in that way, and that's this my engine would not start. Engine not start because these were loosened, and it is like that kind of issue. But when we install this back in carefully, then this my car runs again well. Okay, that kind of information to you.